Welcome everyone. In this tutorial, we will discuss how we can convert one type of file into another using Python. So in this video, we will cover two types of conversion. First, we will understand how we can convert a text file into PDF, and after this, we will discuss how we can convert a document file into PDF. So without any further delay, let's jump on to very first topic. Now to convert any text file into PDF in Python, we generally utilize this FPDF module. Now this FPDF stands for free PDF, and this module offers variety of built-in functions that help us to convert text files into PDF documents. Moreover, this module is useful in scenarios where we wish to directly reflect some result directly into a PDF format. Now, before we discuss how to use this FPDF module, we need to first install it because this is a third party module. Now, we need to use the pip command to install this module. So let me show you the command to install this module. So here on the screen you can see the pip command. So we will write pip install and then the name of the module, which is fpdf. So you can execute this command either in your command prompt or in terminal, and as you can see I will execute this command in my Jupyter notebook, so you can do the same as well. So I will run this cell by using shift plus enter shortcut. Now it will take some time to install this module. So here on the screen you can see this successfully installed message. This means that we have successfully installed this module. Now once we have installed this module, let us understand the process of converting a text file into a PDF file. Now when I am talking about text file, I mean the file which have txt extension. Now before coming to the example, let me show you the text file which I am going to use. So this is my current working directory. I am in this convert one file to another, which is there on my desktop. In this directory, I have this file which is zen of python.txt. Now this txt file contains the following text data. Now what I will do, I will convert this text file into a PDF file. And for this, I will use the following code. So first, what I will do, I will import the FPDF class from this FPDF module. Now here you can see all the characters in FPDF are capital. Then I have to define an object of this FPDF class. So I name this object as PDF underscore file. Then I will use this add underscore page method. Now what this method will do, till now there is no page in our PDF file. So we will use this method to add a page to our PDF file. Moreover, as we didn't specify any argument to this method, it will add a page with default settings. Now after this, we are using the set underscore font method with the PDF underscore file object, and we utilize this method to set the text font and its font size. So now here in this code we set the font as Courier and font size as 14. Now after this we utilize the open function to open the text file. So this is the name of the file, zen of python.txt, and we are opening this file in the reading mode. That's why we specified R here, and then we specified the encoding, which is UTF-8. Now we named this file object as text underscore file. Now next we are utilizing a for loop to iterate over each line in the text file. So that's why we have specified this thing. For text in text underscore file, this is the file object where text represents each line in the text file. Now within the for loop, we utilize the cell method with the PDF underscore file object. Now the role of this cell method is to define a rectangular area in the PDF file so that we can add text within that cell, or we can say we can add text within this rectangular area. Now within this cell method we define certain arguments. So very first argument represents width of the cell, and we define the width as 50. The next argument defines the height of the cell, which is 10. Then we need to define this text parameter, and we define the text parameter as text, which is coming from this for loop. After this we use the ln parameter and we specify its value as 2, and in the last we define the alignment, So this alignment basically represents the text alignment, and for this current instance we want to align our text in the left direction. That's why we have defined L. Now if you want to define right alignment, you need to define capital R, and if you want to define center alignment, you have to specify capital C. So for this example I will specify capital L only. Now in the last, what we have done, outside of the for loop we use the output method with this pdf underscore file object. Now the role of this method is to save the resultant PDF file, and within the method we have to specify the destination and the file name. So in this example I have specified only the file name because I want to create this file in the current working directory. Once all of this code has been executed, in the last we want to print this statement which is PDF created, and then it prints the name of the file which is sample.pdf. So let me execute this code, and here you can see it has returned this thing PDF created sample.pdf. Now let me move back to the working directory, and here you can see this file sample.pdf, and if I click on it, here you can see it has created this PDF file, and this PDF file contains the font and the font size that we have specified. Also you can see the text in this PDF file is left aligned because we specified the alignment as left. So I hope with this you got a basic idea of how we can convert a text file into PDF. Now let's move forward and let's discuss how we can convert a Word document into a PDF file. Now just like the text file, we can also convert document file into a PDF file, and for this task there is a simple package named doc to PDF. Now this package facilitates many basic functions that accepts the file name and handles all the low level conversion operation. But this package is a third party package, so before using it we need to first install it in our system. So how we can install it? To install this we simply need to use the pip statement. Let's look at the pip statement first. So here on the screen you can see the pip statement. So the statement is pip install, then the name of the package which is docs to PDF. Now let me execute this cell. So just like the previous pip statement, we can also implement this statement either in our command prompt or terminal, or we can also utilize it in our notebook file. So here you can see this package has been installed successfully. Now let's look at one example of how we can convert a Word document into a PDF file. Now, before we discuss about the example, let me show you the document which I am going to use. So this is the simple Word document that I am going to use for this example, and I will try to convert this document into PDF using Python. So the name of this document is python-intro. Now let's come back to the example. So first what we have done, we have imported this convert function from this docs to PDF package. So I have written this statement from docs to PDF import convert. So convert here is a function and docs to PDF is a package. After this I have specified one variable which is docs underscore file, and it consists the name of the file. As I have stored this python-intro document file in the same working directory, so I only need to pass the file name. If in your case the document is located at some other location, you have to provide the full path. After this we specified another variable which is pdf underscore file, and this variable will store the name and the path of the PDF file which we want to generate. So I want to store this PDF file in the same directory, and I want to name this document as python-intro. So that's why I've specified this name. Now after this I am using this convert function, and in this convert function first argument is the name of the document file that we want to convert. So I have passed this variable docs underscore file, and the second argument will be the path and the file name where we want to store our PDF file. So that's why I have specified pdf underscore file. Now what I have done, I have placed this convert function within the try except block. So what will happen if this convert function gets executed successfully, then this else block will be executed and we will get this string as a result, file converted successfully. Now if this convert function raises some exception, then this statement within the except block will be printed there is some issue. So let me execute this code block. Now here you can see it has started the process and the process is now completed and it has printed this string file converted successfully. So let me open my working directory in the file explorer, and here in the file explorer you can see this PDF file has been created, python-intro. So let me open this file, and here you can see it has created the PDF file with the same content from the document. So I hope with this it is clear how we can convert a Word document file into PDF. And with this we have come to the end of this tutorial session. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next one.